Hi guys, let's make some pizza rolls. These are great for lunch or even a snack. This recipe will make 16 pizza rolls. So let's begin with 3/4 of a cup of lukewarm water. The temperature should be between 40 to 46 degrees Celsius. To that we're going to add 3 teaspoons of instant yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Just give it a good mix and leave it to bloom for 15 minutes. In a clean bowl, we will need 1 cup of milk, and to that we're going to add a 1/4 cup of butter. We're going to place this bowl in a microwave, or if you don't have a microwave or prefer not to use one, you can heat the milk and butter on the stove until very hot. Just mix it well and set aside to cool. Place the yeast into the stand mixer along with 2 cups of flour and 1 egg. Mix until well combined. Now we will add the remaining 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of bread improver. Again, the bread improver is optional. It will actually improve the quality of your bread, however it's not compulsory. And we will add 1 teaspoon of salt. We don't add the salt in the beginning with the yeast because salt kills yeast. Start the mixer on a low speed and gradually add the cooled milk and butter. Once incorporated, increase the mixer speed and beat on a high speed for 6 to 8 minutes. The dough will begin to come together and pull away from the sides of the bowl. As you can see, the dough is pulling away from the bowl, meaning that it has been mixing long enough and the gluten has been activated. Grease your bowl with oil. Add the dough and mix it around a bit, making sure that the dough is covered with a little bit of oil. This will make sure that once the dough has risen, it doesn't form a crust on the top. Cover the dough and rest it in a warm, dry place for 2 hours. Once the dough has risen, roll it out into a large rectangle. Spread on some garlic butter, leaving an inch on either edge. For the garlic butter, you want to crush 1 clove of garlic with 2 tablespoons of butter and a little bit of Italian seasoning. Spread over the pizza sauce and then add all your favourite toppings. So that could be pepperoni, chicken, vegetables, or just plain cheese. Hang on a minute, stop. Have you guys subscribed to the channel? If not, I think you should now. Press that subscribe button and help us grow. Now you can watch the rest of the video. Now here comes the technical bit. We're going to start rolling the dough. We want to roll this up quite tight, so start from the edge that is closest to you and begin rolling from one end to another as tight as possible. When you get to the last bit, you just want to pull the remaining dough from the bottom over the top, just to seal everything in. Cut the logs into 16 pieces. I made 2 logs from this dough and was able to get 16 rolls. Arrange onto a baking tray and don't press them down. Sprinkle with Italian seasoning and leave them to rise for 20 minutes. Just before baking, sprinkle them over with a cup of grated cheese. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Serve with extra marinara sauce or ranch dipping. Play up on the flavours. We tried buffalo chicken with ranch dressing. It was fantastic. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you give this recipe a go. Give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!